Yo, what is up? It's the Cosmic here. Alrighty, fam. So now I'm going to go over another case study follow-up. XpresSpa, XSPA. They are doing some interesting things. I actually ended up offloading my XSPA stock. Yes, unfortunately. Whenever it cracked the 450s, that hit my max risk, and I took a $400 L. And it continued to go bad for the rest of the Friday. And now it's starting to surge, and it's surging hard. And the reasons why is the following. And if y'all haven't noticed, I always use Benzinga Pro and Twitter for my main breaking news sources. So XpresSpa announced the opening of the Express Check pilot program for the airport employees at JFK International Airport's Terminal 4. This is what we've all been kind of waiting for, was them to announce the official opening. This morning they were having a big old conference with XSPA, and the Port Authority also wrote something on them. Let's see if I can find it. Stan the Trading Man. Alright, he had something in his Twitter about it. So you can see here, right here. It's just talking about how the first pilots starting to come around. Then the Port Authority right here from 2 hours ago announced its press release for it, and I'm going to go ahead and leave a link of this down below in the description. So that is causing XSPA to take off, and of course it's taking off after I sold it. Of course it is, but I'm not going to be salty. It's looking prime for an overnight hold. If I were to be just looking at this stock, just coming on with fresh eyes, I would say for it to be spiking in the after hours at 6 o'clock, it hit 524, and now it's kind of fading down back to its little resistance level here, trying to set some new resistance, making higher lows. I can expect XSPA to continue running tomorrow, especially letting this news circulate. Hopefully it doesn't gap up too much at 4 a.m. Because I currently cannot trade between 4 a.m. and 7 a.m. At 7 a.m. I am looking for it to be around that $5 target, and if it is, that's going to be my buy indicator. I want to catch it at least, see if I can catch a 5% run. I want to see it go up to the 550s. I want to see it start to retest where it's been at before. So I want to see it kind of get back up this way. It has the potential, but it'll have to break these walls first. So if it can break the 565 wall, I think it can truly run into the 6s and the 7s. But this is going to be a monster play, so keep an eye on it, guys. Anyways, y'all be safe, trade safely, and remember, this is all speculation, and I'm not a professional financial advisor, so trade at your own risk. Peace.